You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this French judo practitioner, judoka. Let's learn the French pronunciation. Teddy Riner is how it's pronounced in France. Okay, you could say it as Teddy Riner in English, and his name look pretty sort of Anglophone, let's say, but it's actually Teddy Riner. Teddy Riner, so in English I suggest you say it as Teddy Riner. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.